up, you guys? Today, we're at Eldorado Canyon State Park in Colorado. I just got winded saying my intro. Elevation. But I'm ready. The trail we're doing today is 3.6 miles. See some old hotel ruins, very small ones, I think, and walk around this beautiful canyon. I got here a little early because I love the way the sun looks on the rocks. Got this C4 energy drink. Was hoping it would give me energy. Not sponsored, it tastes like Robitussin. Ugh. See what this trail has in store for us. There are people climbing up. You won't be catching me doing that. It's weird, those rocks kind of look like stairs, but they're not. I lied, they are stairs. People are climbing them. Ah, that's so dope. Man, oh man, I barely walked like 0.2 miles. It's so beautiful. If anybody wants to pay me $1,000, I'll go in there. I bet it's colder than Antarctica. All right, we are doing the Rattlesnake Gulch Trail. So I'll be leaving my headphones around my neck just in case. I don't know much about rattlesnakes, but I do know if you ever get bit by one, call 911 immediately. It's just, look at it. Look at it. I'm eventually gonna do a quick guide to this park. Today's just a vlog, but I wanna try and get here at like 6 a.m. when I do that because it's gonna be gorgeous. Don't fall. Long way down. In Colorado, you might want to bring a North Face to wear around your waist and a tank top because you never know, you might have to switch back and forth. Oh my gosh, I want to be singing, dancing, and learning to play poker in a luxurious hotel up here. Fire destroyed it though. That is so cool. So we're right here, don't mind all the paint on my hands. See if we can find any buildings. I don't see any right now. So this used to be a fountain. Well, here's a little piece of foundation. And this looks like it was a fireplace. You know, it's just crazy to me that the amount of material that it would take to build a hotel is all gone. It's just not here. But this fireplace is. So where did everything else go? I just love being alone in the woods. Oh my God, say less. I'm gonna volunteer to help mountains. Y'all, I'm feeling pretty gypped. I haven't seen one rattlesnake. Just kidding, I don't care that much because I have a state parks pass and it was free to get it. $10 if you don't. I know the loop goes that way, but I wanna go see what's up here. Oh boy. Oh my God. This is crazy. I could see everything. I absolutely love that you can see the giant peaks from up here.
So after I took these shots, my camera died, but thankfully that was the last cool thing I saw on my hike. But thank you guys for watching, and I will catch y'all on the next one.